Good evening from Islands of Adventure tonight for an update on the Jurassic World Velocicoaster. Today we're going to be checking out everything over on the first half of the ride because a lot of the work lights were off yesterday, so we're hoping to get some nice views of the lighting package of this ride. We'll see if all the lights are on. If they're not, we'll just see the trains and the lighting effects that go on around the area as the trains pass through. And we'll take a walk around and see what else is new around the area. Hopefully opening is just a month or so away. We really don't know. It still advertises as summer 2021, but you never know at this point. We could see a soft opening. Let's go check it out. So we'll jump right into the night testing now, and what I'll do is I'll put a timer on the screen for the interval between trains, and we'll be able to figure out the theoretical capacity here, the amount of people per hour that could ride this ride. Well, that will do it for tonight. It's good to see more of that work lighting off to show off more of the colors in the rocks in the first half of the ride. There's still some that are still on, so it'll be nice once all of those are off and we really get a feel of the darkness through the layout. and how those lights are going to be just reflecting off the rock. Thank you, as always, for watching. I appreciate it so much. And until next time, see ya.